Summit Association of Asian/Middle Eastern Scholars, SAAMES, was created in 2019, a small club with a big mission of unifying the cultural demographic of Summit while showcasing Asian culture. Not many can do what SAAMES advocates. Students of all races found home in this club and were able to recover their unheard voices. Asian culture and the people are strong. They are perseverant, they are powerful. Even amidst COVID-19, we introduced SAAMES quarantine. SAAMES is the only club with community, academic, service, cultural, artistic, and even athletic components. Shut out in silence, we raise our voices. We honor our culture. We create new realities. We are Asian American. A red wave wafts over the audience. Vibrant scarlet fuses with illustrious melodies of orange and yellow, forming the harmonies of fiery tones composing the flowing fabric of my silk dance fan. As my heart races, my senses are overwhelmed by a thunderous applause. My name is Isabella Nguyen, and welcome to my submission for the Abercrombie and Fitch Scholarship. In a few years, Isabella Nguyen will be associated with the highest accolades of both humanitarian proactivism and scientific research. As my personal purpose statement, I hope to ignite a passion in future young leaders to overcome their financial obstacles. I will lead and unite the demographics of our community, defy imposing standards, and expand the script to include the voices of the unheard. At the same time, I will work to establish my future in the health sciences and become an ophthalmologist. In the previous clip, I introduced my impact through the founding of the Summit Association of Asian/Middle Eastern Scholars. In addition to that, I continue to plant my own seeds in society. Founding a nonprofit organization, I advocate women's health to combat social stigmas. Earning numerous leadership positions in clubs including SAAMES, Key Club, National Honor Society, National Beta, UIL Academics, UIL Theater, UIL Film, Mu Alpha Theta, Student Council, Student Government, Ignite National, Spanish Honor Society, Art Club, and more, I optimize responsibility to foster communal growth. Leading my volleyball teams, I catalyze development and communication as captain. Establishing research with microremediation, I promote environmental sustainability. Volunteering at summer health camps and providing free healthcare to impoverished communities in Vietnam, I implement my passion for health services on a global scale. While I have already started my journey to accomplish my personal goal, there's still a long, winding road ahead. I will continue to spread my passion to all I meet, and I hope to brandish the title of Abercrombie and Fitch Scholar as I do so.